Hello. Interesting plants are growing on a roadside, which is to the east of Hakusan National Park on the central Japan on August 25th. So you can see, for example, many Japanese ginsengs in a forest. But in a roadside, you see another plant, which is also using as a stimulant. So this is a Japanese Eleuterococcus. Eleuterococcus are multiple species united in one big genus. Some of them are very prickly. This one, for example, is mild, has no prickles, and leaves are remarkably like a glaucescent from the bottom side. Has multiple small inflorescences which only start to develop. So this is as many Araliaceae plants will flower in the fall. So in the fall, flowers will open, and in a Japanese climate, there's still enough time to ripe the fruit. So Eleuterococcus grow in East Asia, and in many cases used as a replacement of ginseng. Ginseng, as you know, is rare, growing very slowly, is not easy to cultivate, so both berries and vegetative parts of Eleuterococcus are used in medicine as a ginseng replacement. So this is a Eleuterococcus from Aralia family, small shrub which grows in the forest, and this is probably about 800 meters above the sea level, so kind of like low altitude in the forest of Japan, and is going to flower soon. Again, today is August 25th. Thank you very much.